Hey guys, my name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. If you are new here, welcome to my channel, and if you are returning, welcome on back. Very excited to have you here today. So if you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be another unboxing video. So this one is like different than the ones I've done before. If you have been subscribed for a while, you know I've received a CoverGirl VoxBox, a Shea Moisture VoxBox. I received a VoxBox where I got EOS chapsticks, vitamins, Wet n Wild black highlighter, like a bunch of different stuff. Today is something different. Like, I'm super excited. Today's Influencer VoxBox is the hashtag Let Me Be Clear Dermalogica Clear Star Influencer VoxBox. I don't know if that's literally what it's called. The actual name of the VoxBox would be in the title and in the description box. But yeah, it didn't come this bent up, y'all. I just was lazy. I just closed the box up. But yeah, it's cute. It's blue. Super excited to open it with y'all. So I'm just gonna open it right on up. That's why it was freaking bent. Got all this stuff in there all crazy. But yeah, so when you open it, you get a card. So I'm just gonna read the card to y'all, okay? It's the Dermalogica Clear Star. So it says, hey, we're Clear Star. What we are: skin health obsessed, clinically proven, breakout experts, cruelty free and vegan. What we believe in: real skin is beautiful skin, and skincare equals self-care. And who we're for: anyone who has ever experienced a breakout or a blackhead or even a little extra shine. So that's what Dermalogica Clear Star is. And once again, I received this VoxBox completely free to test and try out from Influenster. Super excited for that. So in this VoxBox, I received 5 different Dermalogica products. So I'm gonna start with the smallest products I got. Well, not the smallest, but I think I received 1 full-size product and the rest of them are travel sizes, if I'm not mistaken. First, before I get started, I want to apologize for any of the background noise you might hear. My sister's home and she insists on having her iPad as loud as humanly possible, so you might hear that. I 100% apologize. But the first product is the Dermalogica Clear Star Breakout Clearing Foaming Wash. This is what it looks like. I received a 1 fluid ounce bottle, but it's foaming, so you might not need a lot. So I'm gonna read y'all the description to this. This breakout fighting foaming wash clears away dead skin cells, dirt, and excess oils that clog pores and cause breakouts. It's pretty short and straight to the point. I appreciate that. If y'all don't know, I have like a small little skincare. I will go more into my skincare routine when I do a review for these products. But my skincare is pretty much, I just wash my face with either like a exfoliating face wash, or you know, just a regular face wash, or like a Shea Moisture face wash, or a body wash. I use their coconut oil body wash on my face sometimes as well. What is it called? African black soap. And then after I'm done with that, I just tone my face with the Up and Up brand toner. I gotta buy a new one though. I'm running low. I don't know what tone I'm gonna buy, but I also use aloe vera gel, oil, and lotion. So it's very, you know, I don't know what it is. I don't do it all the time, so this ought to be interesting. So yeah, the Breakout Clearing Foaming Wash. So the next 2 products are so small, the ones they sent me. So this one is like the smallest thing I've ever seen in my life. Well, that's a little dramatic, but this is the Dermalogica Clear Star Breakout Clearing Booster. As you can see, it's so freaking small. Like, this is literally 0.14 fluid ounces, like not even a whole ounce. 0.14 ounces of this. But this is the, once again, the Breakout Clearing Booster. So the Breakout Clearing Booster, this fast acting booster is formulated with salicylic, I can never say that, salicylic acid. I can never say that, y'all, so please ignore that. But yeah, it's formulated with salicylic acid and it helps combat breakout causing bacteria for rapid skin clearing. That's pretty darn dope. Considering how small this is, it's just like a little teeny one, a travel test size. I don't think you'll need a lot. I feel like I'll be able to get 2 or 3 uses out of this. I've never used it before in my life, but I'm really excited to try it. Like, that sounds pretty darn dope. It's a fast-acting booster formulated with salicylic acid, helps combat breakout causing bacteria for rapid skin clearing. I know I already said that. I had to get it again for myself, but that's pretty darn dope. And the next one is not as small as that. This is the Dermalogica Clear Star Clearing Defense SPF 30. So it's what is that called? Sun blocker. I forgot what that stuff is called. But this one is 0.24 for 1 ounce. So it's a little small container. But this is to mattify and protect. This shine reducing SPF moisturizer helps protect breakout prone skin from environmental stress. That's pretty darn dope. Sunblock is what it's called. Sunblock. Sorry, but that's pretty darn dope. So this is a SPF mixed with like a moisturizer as well. So that's pretty darn dope. I'm super excited to try this one. The next product that I will be showing y'all is the Dermalogica Clear Star Breakout Clearing All Over Toner. So this is 1.7 fluid ounces, by the way. So this unique mist all over purifying toner controls excess oils and helps eliminate breakouts on the face and body. Refreshing extracts help cool and revive skin. So that's pretty darn dope. I know I keep saying that, but it really is though. Once again, the only toner that I told y'all I use is the Up and Up brand, and then immediately after that I put on aloe vera gel. So this will be pretty interesting to use. I've never had like actual skincare products before, so this is pretty new to me. This is something I haven't mentioned, but I like the different colors each one have on it. The foaming wash was green, the SPF is blue, the breakout clearing booster is purple, this one is pink. So freaking cute, and this will last a while. Like, honestly, I think this will last a while. It sounds really full. I'm super excited to use this. And lastly, the very last product I have from Dermalogica Clear Star is their Blackhead Clearing Fizz Mask. So this is the only oh, I guess it's not the only full size. This might be full size, or they both must be like trial sizes, because this is 1.7 fluid ounces as well. That's kind of hard to believe, but yeah, y'all, this is it right here. Nice little size container or whatever. This unique mask, active fizzing formula, effectively clears pores and helps target blackheads. Now, it's like, I was gonna say all teenager. I'm not no teenager. I'm grown. Most of us, well, not most of us, some of us do get like those little blackheads on our nose. That's not like out of the skin, it's kind of in the skin, so you can't get it out, and that can be really annoying, especially if you don't wear like makeup. I don't have it really bad, but I have it a little bit. So I'm like super excited to try this. This is a fizz mask. So let me read the directions on here. It just sounds pretty awesome, like a fizz mask. I've never used a fizz mask before. So as you can see, I received 5 products once again from Dermalogica. I'm just gonna rename all of them while I'm sitting here. The fizz mask, the Blackhead Clearing Fizz mask, this is what I'm most excited for. And then I'm also really excited for the all over toner. I think these 2 products right here will last the longest. Obviously they're the biggest, but I'm excited to try these. And then also I received the SPF, the Clearing Defense SPF, the Breakout Clearing Booster, and once again the foaming wash. I'm gonna have to do like some research and read these bottles to see in what order I'm supposed to use them in, because I'm really not too sure, y'all. Like I just said, I ain't had no real skincare before, so I want to say I'm like super appreciative to the fact that I even received this VoxBox. I really can't wait to review it. With this particular type of product, I cannot just use it once and review it, y'all know that. So I'm probably going to use it 2 to 3 times a week, all of the products 2 to 3 times a week, and then after that week I will come back with a review if you all were interested in wondering. But yeah, I'm really excited to try all these products. But I'm really excited, like, all of these products, their claims as to what they might do or will do is pretty like dope. Like, I'm really excited. Like, honestly, if I like it, I might actually invest in Dermalogica. I've seen plenty of like bigger YouTubers use Dermalogica in their skincare routines on YouTube, so I'm just excited to try Dermalogica, period. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it for this unboxing video. I did a lot of talking, but you know, that's just what it is. Again, I'm super excited to try these products. I will again be doing a review, so just stay tuned to my channel to catch that. So yeah, I keep rambling, but give this video a big thumbs up. We'll really appreciate that. Comment down below if you have used Dermalogica, or just comment down below whatever you want to comment down below. You know, either way, I want your comments. Share this video with a friend and subscribe to my channel. We are growing more and more every day. Super excited to see what I can grow to. So yeah, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I've never said that before, but turn on the notification bell just so you can stay updated with my uploads, because the review for this ought to be up pretty darn soon as well. So yeah, I'm going to see y'all in my next video. Peace.